What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, Social with Rocky. Today I wanted to dive into something that has been a trend, I guess, or people are talking about, and that's downloading other people's Instagram stories. Now, I'm not too sure why you would want to download other people's stories, but maybe for repurposing content or sharing with a friend. I'm not sure. But as far as the algorithm is concerned, user-generated content is the best content for you to be able to create. Let me put this joker on Do Not Disturb, okay? So I started doing some research and I saw, I just typed in Instagram Stories Viewer, and I was surprised at how many different platforms there are for you to download Instagram Stories, and not just your Instagram Stories, but other people's Instagram Stories, okay? So the top two are actually the ones that I kind of warmed up to. So we're going to kind of dive into those and see what they can do for us and see which ones are the best ones and go from there. So the first thing I did was I Googled Instagram Stories Viewer. I'm going to go into my Instagram account and see whose account I kind of want to stalk and grab their Instagram stories. So I am on my Instagram page, Social with Rocky, and I'm going to go through my Explore page because there's lots of business babes on there. And I'm going to find out who it is that I want to download stories from. So this Female Inspiring is great. I love them. I love following them. I love their feed in general. Like, look how it's so well put together. So I know their stories are fire. So I'm going to go back to my Instagram Stories Viewer, catch the name Female Inspiring. So let me go to Stories Down, and the website is storiesdown.com. I will put the link in the description. Now, the thing that I don't like about storiesdown.com is that there's so much advertisement, you guys. There's so much freaking ads. It's crazy. So clearly they're trying to make money off of the ad spend. Whatever. Let's just click off of there. And there's another ad. So anyway, we're going to scroll down to where it says enter Instagram username. So I'm going to enter it, and it was Female Inspiring. So let's type in Female Inspiring, and there's sometimes extra stories that pops up in here. From my experience, there's been extra stories that pop up outside of the actual account that I'm looking for. And you see that note right there, no need Instagram account. You can view it without logging in or anything. You could just pop in the Instagram name and then their Instagram stories comes up. It's a little slow. All right, there we go. So here is the actual account, Female Inspiring. You could see how many followers they have, how many posts, and how many they're following. Now, as you can see, again, there's another ad there. But if you keep scrolling down, you can see all of their posts. So their posts fall in line amongst some ads. Okay. Let's see what happens when we click on the post. Nothing. Okay. So then when you go to stories, however, when the stories loads, you guys, you can download the stories right then and there. And you see when they posted it. They posted it 22 hours and 21 minutes ago. They posted this around the same time. So this helps you to figure out when you want to post and how often you want to post. But also you could take their content and download it and repurpose it as your own. So let's download and see what happens. And of course, it downloads as a picture. And as you can see, the download has came up for me, and I can quickly use it to repost the content. I can save the image and go from there. All right. So I haven't tried this with video. So let me see if they have. Okay, they do have a video here. All right. So let me see if I could download the video, if it comes up as a video. Oh, it does. It comes up as an MP4, which is amazing. Okay. So you can repurpose this for your own. This is so shady, but it's kind of cool. Like, I'm digging it. Okay, so that's storiesdown.com, you guys. All right, let's go to the other one. The other one was Insta Stories, view anonymously and download story. This one is clean cut. I don't see only ads I see down here is at the bottom. It's not in the way. There's not a whole lot of disturbances. It's just straight up. Okay, so let's just type Female Inspire here. Was it Female Inspire? Female Inspiring. I'm sorry. Female Inspiring. There you go. Female Inspiring. All right. Her account comes up and it looks quite just like her account, which is pretty cool. Okay. We see her post here and we see her stories here. I'm not seeing the download part. Maybe I need to click on it. So let's click on it. it opens up. And look at that. The download, this is definitely a lot cleaner than the one that we had before. So let's click download. We'll download, and it downloads MP4. And let's see how it shows. If it shows all of the stories. Yes, you guys, this one is much better. I like this one. It shows most of, matter of fact, it shows all of the stories that they posted. Oh no, this is the IGTV. Ooh, you can download IGTV as well. That's crazy, you guys. That's the IGTV. Okay, so that was the IGTV, and they kind of bumped it to their stories. Okay, so they do download one at a time, okay? So this one is insta-stories.ru. I like this one better than Stories Down, so I'm probably going to use this. But again, you can use these to repurpose content. You can use these to share. One thing I will warn you is to make sure that you, whatever content you do use and repost, make sure you give the proper person the proper credit. I am a graphic designer, so when I make things and videos like for other people, it will be easier for me to use their content. That way I can download their content and make the video for them. And I'll just give you a little example from my other YouTube channel of my intro that I did, like how I used Instagram as an intro, as a background when I create people's intro content. Okay, so I'll show you guys here. Okay, so here's my intro. This is from a merchandise website, and as you can see, I used the background of the video. That's my Instagram in the background, and I used it to scroll through and create the background. So for me, I use the content to create an amazing background. And again, the website is insta-stories.ru or storiesdown.com. So you guys, hopefully this has helped you out. This is how you can, take your competitors' Instagram stories and use it to repurpose content, or to use it to create videos, or however. But again, remember to give them credit where it is due. Do not just take your stuff and not give them credit for it, okay? Because most times they will come back and hunt you. So hopefully this tutorial has helped you out, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Peace out.